Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your crypto. Passcode. First, open the crypto.com app on your mobile device. On the login screen, you'll see an option to tap Forgot Passcode. Select this. Next, you'll need to enter the email address associated with your crypto.com account. This step is crucial for initiating the reset process securely. Make sure it's the correct email to proceed smoothly. After entering your email, check your inbox for a message from crypto.com. This email will contain a unique link to reset your passcode. It's important to click this link promptly as it's time-sensitive for security reasons. Clicking the link will securely redirect you to a page where you can continue the reset process. Always ensure you are on the official crypto.com domain. Once redirected, you'll be prompted to create a new 6-digit passcode. Enter your chosen passcode in the first field, then re-enter it in the second field to confirm. Choose a passcode that is both strong and easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. After confirming, your new passcode will be set, allowing you to regain access to your account. With your new passcode successfully set, you can now log into your crypto.com account. Use your newly created 6-digit passcode to access your funds and features. Remember to keep your passcode confidential to maintain account security. Your account access is now restored, and you can continue managing your crypto. Also, for some great deals, including a link for an Owala water bottle, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.